To connect the JBL Tune Flex with the iPhone, first I recommend to download JBL headphones app from the App Store, although you can skip this step and just pair them without the app. Now we're gonna move to the pairing method. We need to open the case and remove both of the earbuds from the case. Next step is to open a Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. Go to the Bluetooth settings like that, and then wait till JBL Tune Flex is available on the bottom. If you click on it, it should pair with your device, after which we can move to JBL Headphones app. And if you decided to download and open this app, that way you'll be able to customize your headphones with a different settings right here.